Hi Jace, what you doing? You cleaning the rocks? You cleaning the bird poop off? Let's see what Henry's up to. Trying to drink the bottle of water?
That's a bottle.
Buh, buh.
You say bottle? What are you doing?
Hi, Mommy.
Hi.
What you doing?
Digging up dandelions?
You're pretty.
Thank you.
Where'd Jace go?
He's going to find more dandelions.
More dandelions to pick up? We're following you documentary style. Where'd you go? In the garage? There's no dandelions in the garage. Where'd you go? Where you going? Let's see where Jace went. What you doing, Jace? Are you all done with dandelions? So you put your bucket in the closet? He dropped off his bucket in the closet inside.
Oh, good job. That's where we got it from. Can you go put that in the bucket for me? No?
Gotta get your gloves back on so you can pick more dandelions?
Yeah. Henry was trying to pick some grass.
And eat it?
You want to play with this pillow at all? That you can eat.
Gotta check in with Henry again. Where are you? There's the bucket of dandelions when we picked.
This is on dandelion.
I'm filmmaking.
Do you need some help? Come over here.
Now he's got a bone pillow. Got those gloves on yet? No?
Now you got it on?
Hurts my toe to sit like this.
Yeah. Then don't do like that.
But then I'm gonna get grass stains on my knees. Got your gardening gloves on?
No.
Not quite?
For some reason I feel like the fertilizer has made the weed grow.
Now you got them on. Now what? Where'd you put your shovel?
Did you put it away with the bucket?
Where'd you put your shovel? Do you remember where you put it? Where? In the house? You gonna go get it? See ya. And should we move you back into the shade?
I think your baseball stuff's in the backyard. You're
Yeah.
gonna play it back there.
I cleaned up all the poop if you want to go in the backyard.
What time is it? Wait, I gotta
6:45.
6:45.
It's bath night tonight too.
Oh, yeah. What time did Henry get up? 4 o'clock?
Yeah.
You want me to walk down the hill? Ready? Oh, you want to do it together?
I don't know what you want, Jace.
Just tell me what you want, sweetie.
Down the stairs.
But you want me to walk down the stairs? While you run down the hill? Okay, now what?
This is Jace being whiny.
Walk down the hill. Right here. Walk or run?
Good walking, Mommy. Are you satisfied with that performance? Good one.
Ta-da! I think he's a little punchier than normal.
Hi.
You gotta wash your hands? No, I want to have the gloves on while I'm doing gardening. Then I don't get dirt all in my fingernails. Mm-hmm. You jump over it? Whoa! That was a big jump.